Hi, hello, this is Jenny. So today we can see the usage of networks. Okay, so already we seen last session network transmission and how it works. Okay, so now we can see usage of networks. Okay, so in this network we can use computer as well as social. Okay, so why we are using this networks? For communication purpose, information sharing, resource access. Okay, and then connecting people throughout the world. Then devices collaborate. Okay, for what purpose? Sharing your ideas and access all the resources from the devices throughout the world. Okay, so this is the usage of networks. Okay, and next, how we can send this data in this network. We are going to send all the information, or we are going to split this information as packets and packets. Okay, so we are sending all the information through packets between applications, servers, devices and process. Okay, okay, so these are the works or data transformation in networks. And next, this is a small picture of this internet. Okay, so this connection is, you can imagine, this is the best example for LAN, local area connection. Okay, so how we are going to connect here in this local area network or all other organization? If you are using this internet connection, we need router and modem. Okay, so what is the use of this router and modem? Before knowing that, we should know about ISP, internet service provider. Okay, so the network we are going to get, okay, the internet from the network services means we should launch or we should use internet service provider. Without ISP you can't get that internet service to your home, to your organization, anywhere. Okay, so internet service provider, already we know the tower, all the areas we can see that large tower, that is ISP, internet service provider. Okay, so the internet service provider, it's going to provide that internet services to your houses or organizations. Okay, so how? Let's see. So if you are using this modem, that modem is going to establishes the connection from the ISP. Okay, then it passes this information to the router. The router distributes all the services. Okay, the router distributes this services to your PC, games, or laptop, or smartphone, or printer, any devices. Okay, it distributes. Who will distribute the services to you? The router distributes all the services to you. This is the usage of this router. Okay, before that router, modem, why we are using this modem? Modem establishes the connection, that gets the connection from the ISP. Okay, so that connection we are using DSL cables or fiber optic cables. DSL cable, maximum we are using this radio broadcasting or telephone services. Okay, because DSL means the digital subscriber line. Okay, in this digital subscriber line you are going to get all the data. Okay, in a digital manner. For voice frequency we are using that cable. Okay, and then modem we will fetch in our wall, house walls or organization wall. We can see that modem. Without modem and router you can't get that internet services at your home or office. Okay, so here two types of routers are available. One is wired connection router, another one is wireless connection router. Difference: if you are using wired connection means you should put ethernet at your device. Okay, if you don't use wire means you can use Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so this is the difference between ethernet and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi means without wire, that means wireless connection. Wired connection means ethernet. Okay, are the types of routers. And next, another point is we should know gateway or hub. What is gateway or hub? If I want to enter in some other state or some other country, each and every state has the entry gate. Okay, so that is gateway. Same like that if you are using internet, okay, or network means you are going to get internet service. How we are going to get internet service? By using of this hub. Okay, so what it will work, how it will work, and what it gives to the users means router and modem combined into the single unit. Okay, so combination of router and modem. Okay, combination of router and modem, it converts to the single unit, that is called hub or gateway.